Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to our channel The Ramad Vlog. Today we have visited the very historical place that's called choukhandi tombs. Dear guys, choukhandi tombs, if you are going to bury someone above ground, the container should probably be both secure and reverent. This knowledge seems to be almost instinctive, as ornate tombs and mausoleums can found sheltering bodies above the surface. In cemeteries from New Orleans to Timbuktu, the most famous of these tombs are clearly the great pyramids of Egypt, but other examples of respectful celebration through decoration are found the world over. The Choukhandi tombs near Karachi, Pakistan are a unique example of such burials. Buried south to north, unusual for the area and time period. These tombs are constructed out of huge sandstone slabs, which are delicately staked into a finished pyramid shape. The slabs were then clearly painstakingly carved with intricate patterns, drawings, and relatable scenes. Choukhandi tombs. The Choukhandi tombs are attributed to the Jokyo and known as the family graveyard of the Jokya tribe. Although other, mainly Baloch tribes, have also been buried here, these tombs were mainly built during Mughal rule, sometime in the 50th and 80th centuries. When Islam became dominant, this type of graveyard in Sindh and Balochistan is remarkable because of its main north-south orientation. The more elaborate graves are constructed with buff-colored sandstones. These tombs were constructed either as single graves or as groups up to 8 graves raised on a common platform. The tombs of men are capped with turban and carved with horses, arms, and weapons. The tombs of women are decorated with jewelry design such as bracelet, necklace, earrings, and rings, etc. These tombs are found only in Sindh and Balochistan and can be seen along the Makran coast to the Indus River. The most elaborately carved tombs are located at sites such as Lasbela and along the road at Malir and Mirpur Sakro tombs line. The land also been found on the east side of Gojo Nalo and Seven Sharif. A typical sarcophagus consists of 6 vertical slabs with 2 long slabs, one each side of the grave, indicating the length of the body, and the remaining 2 vertical slabs on the head and foot side. These 6 slabs are covered by a second sarcophagus consisting of 6 more similar vertical slabs, but smaller in size, giving the grave a pyramid shape. The upper box is further covered with four or five horizontal slabs, and the topmost construction is set vertically with its northern end often carved into a knob as a crown or turban. The tombs are embellished with geometrical design and motifs, including figural representations such as mounted horsemen. The choukhandi tombs from an early Islamic cemetery situated 29 km 18 miles east of Karachi, close to the N-Pipe National Highway near Landi town in Pakistan. The tombs are remarkable for their elaborate sandstone carving. The style of architecture is typical to the region of Sindh. The choukhandi tombs are the masterpiece of funerary art exquisitely designed in the early Islamic cemetery situated on Main National Highway near Landi. The graveyard spreads over an area of 82 acres. 82 acres of land as per record and contains different sizes of tombs and graves believed to be of certain settlers who lived in the area at the time. Funerary art expresses relationship to the afterlife. It's not always architectural since it may be purely symbolic. Sometimes these are created as a mark of honor for the dead or for the purpose of aesthetic pleasure and therefore suitable to sculptural treatment. Thank you very much guys. Subscribe our channel.